Hi guys, how are you? Again, we come back for the new story. Yes, today's story about two brothers, Lucy and the tiger. Yes, they are the best brothers. Yes, Black is tiger and another Lucy. Yes, too much fight together, but too much like together and support them. I have 20 cats, but only Tiger with Lucy sleep together. They were so small. After birthday, they lost their mother. Then all time they are together. Yes, Lucy. Oh, Tiger, why you beat your brother? Lucy like you. Tiger. Oh, Tiger. Tiger. Lucy like you. Lucy too much love you. Yes. Lucy is your brother. You want plays with you? Yes. Yes. Every place Tiger go and Blanky go. Yes. Tiger. Lucy, Lucy, what are you doing? Lucy, Lucy, oh. What? You beat me? Why? Why you beat me? Oh. You want? Tell me you are a strong man? Oh. Maybe 2 hours to sleep above a fridge. Yes. You see this brother slept above a fridge. Now finish to sleep. Lucy! Lucy! Oh my God. Why? You don't like? Take video? No? Why? I want to send video for the YouTube and our friends see this video and subscribe and like this video and share this video for your friends and the family. Yes. You have cats. They are brothers and sisters. Play, fight, then too much love together? Or no? Same human. We have sister and brother. Love him and love her, but fight, play with him or with her. Yes? You have your no? Tell me in the comment. Oh. For the tail? Swanky. Time cats bring up and down tail, show they are angry. Oh, Lucy, Tiger, what are you doing? You are brother. Yes, you are two brother. You should kind of get. Yes. Thank you, my guys, for watching this video and the sharing and the send comment and love and like for us. We come back again for the new story. Bye bye. Don't forget, subscribe this video and sharing and send comment and like this video. Tiger and Lucy, I want finish video. Tell our friends bye bye. Tell our friends bye bye. Tiger, Lucy.